Boots on the ground, putting it down. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D. I'm out doing my walk this morning and having a good time with the duckies. Can you see the duckies a little bit? Let me turn this around so you can see some duckies. Guys, the duckies are chilling, taking it easy. Some geese and all in the area. You know, you can see them over there. See those duckies over there? They're having a good time. They're having a good time getting their flow on. You know, people are walking, the kids and stuff. Great time. But I wanted to talk a little bit today. A beautiful day. I want to talk a little bit about gold and what's really going on in the gold market. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Pound that like button. Mickey D rehabbing, doing his thing. He's back on track, almost. I got a couple more months or so, and the doctor says I'll be right back on track, you know. I want to go over, you see this book here, Invest in Gold Today Without Being Cheated? Can you see that? See that book right there? That's a book that I wrote in 2020. So it's 5 years old now, right? In anticipation, of course, of a gold bull market. Make sure you get your copy on Amazon.com. Make sure you get your copy. Because in this book, there are stocks that are going to go hog wild. Now, when listen to me. Hog wild. Now, you say, Mickey D, well, you had that Eagle in there at $15 billion. Well, you had Royal Gold in there at $8 billion. And they're much higher now because you were looking at the majors early because you know in a bull market in gold, you know the big time producers make the most money and they do their thing early, blah, 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 blah. Well, how do you explain some of the small and mid-tier companies that are in there that are just starting to do their thing right now, that are excellent values right now, ladies and gentlemen? You know, let me talk to you. Let me talk to you a minute. I don't seek the credit or anything. That's not me. That's somebody else. You tell somebody else. I'm just telling you about what I wrote and what I saw in multiple gold and commodities bull runs. That's all I'm talking. And I'm just talking. It's a beautiful day, and Mickey D just want to talk to you, you know, and tell you to go on and get your copy on Amazon.com. Better yet, I'm gonna make this free. Let me see what I can do. Go on over there now and get you a free copy. I'm not kidding. Go on over there and get you a free copy right now, and you'll get the stocks in here right now. I'm paying this thing forward, man. I just got out of the hospital, man. I'm paying this thing forward. I'm blessed, man. I had some of the best doctors. I had the best surgeon in the world, man. Great doctors and all that. So I'm paying this thing forward. But anyway, some of those stocks were, billions. Let's just say they're billions of dollars. And Eagle's over $50 billion now. I was writing about it when it was 15 and below, you know, because there's a lag time, you know, put something in a book, you know, and I apologize for all the noise and the different things going around, but that's what's happening right now. And you guys need to jump all on this commodities bull market, especially in gold right now. And our gold and silver baby knockouts. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. Remember that one? That book right now. See, I look out and I write this stuff in anticipation of something happening. And then when it happens, you look like a genius when you're really not. Well, it's debatable. Don't laugh. It's debatable. You know, I make crummy videos, but the gold baby knockouts, you know, wouldn't you have liked to, like some of those fund managers that I talk to at those conferences that are looking so good right now. They're looking exceptionally good because they got a copy of blah blah, and they were early birds, you know. So that's the deal, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just out having fun, you know. I'm just walking around and having parties and stuff. You know, it's graduation time, and people are taking pictures and they're doing things and having a lot of fun. And I like, you know, I like that. I like being out, and I like being with the kids. You know, yeah, that's a nice little hat, huh? You like that socks hat, huh? Nice little socks hat, huh? Okay. Chicago, Chicago. Yeah, all that. I'm a Cub fan myself, but it's all good. You know, Sox or the Cubs, you one or the other. You know, I've got a son that's, you know, his Sox fan, so you know, I wear the Sox stuff every now and then. But it's all good. It's all good, you know. Yeah, but that's what I'm talking about. Right here. He's wondering. You vlogging? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just a little having a little fun. How you doing? You're not an investor, are you? Okay. Yeah. Take care of yourself, man. Man, you guys seen those snapping turtles, right? Let's see if it'll. Let me go down. Let's. Uh-oh, look at it. Turtles. Turtles say, I'm gonna live to be 105. I ain't messing with him. And then the little baby says, well, no, that's a brave one right there. Let me finish up here. Somebody asked me. They said, Mickey D, you believe in the law of reciprocity? I said, what? That's how I live. Man, I know. The more I give away, the more people buy. So go on over right now. Get you a free copy, because that means somebody else is going to buy it. It might be a year from now. It might be 2 years from now. You know, that's the way I live my life, man. I pay it forward, my man, my woman out there listening. I pay it forward. You know, I ain't, look at the geese all on it, brother. Y'all go and do your thing. I'm just walking and chilling. But no, that's the way I live my life, man. I can't. You know, I gotta give. You know, and go on over to Amazon right now and get you a free electronic copy right now. You know, right now. I'm not kidding. Right now. You know, they're having a party over there, so I don't want to go over and spoil their party. But ladies and gentlemen, it's all good. All good. All good. And I just want to let you know that it's all good. Let's see these little duckies here. Geese. Mark, geese. Duck, goose, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you go on over and get your copy. I'm coming along well. Thank you for the well wishes, ladies and gentlemen. Again, things are doing better. I'm sorry, I'm so a little bit, you know, with my taping. I'm a little bit shaky, a little bit. So I'm kind of walking down a hill a little bit. Look at that. Look at that family there. The family moving from one and moving on up, moving out of town there. Can you guys see all those guys moving there, doing their thing, man? All good, all good. The fam, moving the fam. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But anyway, let's take advantage of pullbacks in the gold and silver sector. Silver stocks, like I said, have not taken off yet. And I list the best of the best because early on in a bull market, you guys know what happens. Early on in the bull market, big guys do their thing. They're all listed here, right here. And I'm not looking back playing Monday morning quarterback like so many people are. Dude, I'm there. This is not my first rodeo, like I told you before. Been here, done that. So when I, talk about some guys that are, have been I've made money with or done projects with in the past, believe me, they've really, really done some great work, some excellent work. Companies, ladies and gentlemen, due to the fact that they're making so much money, gold and silver stocks, they're going to be paying dividends pretty soon. The dividends are going to be raised in a lot of these companies. I'm predicting. They're going to be raised, guys. Hang in there. The gold and silver baby knockouts are right there, primed. A lot of them are ready to go, up 200, 300%. That I see 1,000%, ladies and gentlemen, plus on a lot of these. 1,000 plus. Hey, that's the name of one of the books. It was written years ago, ladies and gentlemen. But the stocks in there right now are stocks that you can use in your portfolio. God bless you. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. Once again, it's Mickey D, home of the baby knockout. Nothing I say should be misinterpreted as stock advice. See your local stock investor. The scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. A researcher, put in black and white so you guys can look at it 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now, and you can say Mickey D was right or Mickey D was wrong. I dare you. Love you. Take care. God bless.